Tre Cime Di Lavaredo hike is one of the most iconic hikes in Dolomites. Three massive rocky prominences rise up from the rolling scenery of the Dolomites, surrounded by amazing views all around. In this guide, I cover everything you need to know about this hike. This hike is best done during the summer months. The road to Refugio Aronzo, which is the starting point of the hike, typically remains open from late May till late October. The parking lot for this hike is located next to Refugio Aronzo. There is now a limit to the number of vehicles that can drive up this road. From 2025, an online reservation is necessary to access this parking lot. The parking fee is €40 per vehicle per 12 hours. Check weather predictions before booking this expensive parking. You can also get to Refugio Aronzo by taking the public bus.
Behind me is the Refugio Aronzo, from which all the hikes start.
I recommend hiking it counterclockwise. The vast majority of hikers go in the counterclockwise direction, so you will be going with the flow of traffic. The first part of the hike, that is from Refugio Aronzo to Cappella degli Alpini, is the easiest. A wide, gravel, mostly flat trail runs beside the southeast faces of Tre Cime. Off to your right, you can look down through the Aronzo Valley and over to the jagged peaks of Cime di Lavaredo. The second part of the hike is from the chapel to Refugio Lavaredo, which takes about 10 minutes. Here you can grab a bite, use the toilet, or refill your water. From Refugio Lavaredo, follow Route 101 to reach Forcella Lavaredo.
It's been 15 minutes since I've started hiking. I started from my overnight accommodation at Refugio Lavaredo, and I'm going to Refugio Locatelli.
The trail starts off as a steep, strenuous climb, then becomes more gradual for the rest of the walk to the Forcella and takes about 15 minutes. You can take a detour to a nearby pond en route, which provides some great reflection of the peaks. Once on top of the hill, the view changes dramatically. In the not too far off distance is Tre Cime or Refugio Locatelli, which is your next destination. It is roughly a 2-kilometer walk. Most of this walk is on a wide gravel trail. Turn around periodically for views of Tre Cime. Many people do not hike up to the Refugio. If you fall in this category, you can take Trail 105 towards Langan, skipping the Refugio and the upper viewpoints. But I did not mind adding an extra kilometer to my hike as we felt hungry and needed to have some rest too. Remember, food is quite expensive here, and they were accepting cash only on the day we went. Food was brilliant and views were jaw-dropping. You can explore 2 colorful alpine lakes and a beautiful church here. Once you get to the trail junction that sits at the bottom of Refugio Locatelli, stay to the right to continue on Trail 105. Now you hike towards Tre Cime, and it is a gorgeous view. Cross the valley, hike up the hill on the far side, and now it's a short walk to Malgalangam. There are a lot of ups and downs here. As you continue the hike, just a short distance past the Malgalangam hut, you will come to the reflecting pools. On a sunny, calm day, it's possible to capture the reflection of the peaks on these lakes.
Mountain weather is so unpredictable. It was bright sunshine when we walked up. Now when we are going back to Refugio Lavaredo, where we are staying overnight, it's absolutely pouring down.
Just before reaching the parking lot, the rocky peaks of the Cime di Lavaredo come into view. You end your hike at Refugio Aronzo. If you do just one hike in Dolomites, you need to do this. If you need a bit of guidance regarding your itinerary in Dolomites, click on the link on your screen. Please hit the like button and press subscribe if this video was useful. Thanks for watching.